Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pasta sauce using diced tomatoes. To begin, you will need two 28-ounce cans of high-quality diced tomatoes. Also, gather 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a small bunch of fresh basil. Don't forget essential pantry items like extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. These simple ingredients are the foundation for an incredible homemade sauce. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion and sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes translucent and soft. Next, stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic. Cook the garlic for just 1 minute, being careful not to burn it, as this will infuse a wonderful aroma into your sauce. With your aromatics ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Carefully pour in 2 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, including their juices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, uncovered, for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. Finally, for those finishing touches that elevate your sauce, remove the pot from the heat and stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil. The residual heat will gently wilt the herbs, releasing their vibrant aroma. Taste the sauce and adjust the salt or pepper if necessary to achieve your desired flavor profile. Serve this rich, homemade pasta sauce generously over your favorite cooked pasta for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.